How to enable dark mode in YouTube. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can enable YouTube dark mode. Well, the process is simple and easy, so let me guide you through this video. First things first, what you can do is open up the YouTube application. Now once you have opened up YouTube application, as you can see, I'm already on dark mode here on YouTube, but I'll just show you how you can change it and how you can find the options to do so. So once you have opened up, tap on the U tab or the profile icon. In this case, you can see at the bottom right corner. On your Android, you'll probably see it at the top right corner of your screen. Now once here, head into the settings icon at the top right corner again this time, and you'll be able to see various options here. You can head into general here and you should be able to see appearance option. Tap on it. Now you can either set it to use device theme. That way, if your device is on dark mode, it'll switch to dark mode. If your device is on light mode or white mode, it'll switch to light mode. Now if you want dark mode, select dark mode and leave it on dark mode, and here you'll be on dark mode. So this is how you can switch your YouTube app to dark mode, or how you can enable YouTube dark mode. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.